Hey there! Are you interested in raising chickens but don't have a lot of space? Then check out this video.
Go.
Hi everyone,
Hello.
and welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. Every so often, a couple chickens escape from the fence in place to extend their original pen. However, they typically stay close to the enclosure while grazing. I like to get them back inside simply to ensure they have access to water, which is located inside of the stationary pen area. This is the original pen area built around the chicken coop. As you can see, there is plenty of room for about 10 to 17 chickens. There is room under the coop for protection from the rain and snow, as well as 3 roosting bars. Each morning, the cage is open to allow the chickens additional room to roam around in the grassy area. This is where they spend most of their time resting and grazing. They only go back to the stationary enclosure for feed, water, to lay an egg, or for safety if there's a buzzard stalking them. And in the evening, they go inside the coop. And here is another look inside of the stationary pen area. You can see in this area alone, there's a lot of room for the chickens. And here's the grassy area. The chickens have plenty of room to graze and run around. They choose not to come out this far when there is snow on the ground. Now, this much space is not needed if you decide to get 3 to 4 birds. The brown spots you see in the grass are where the birds were originally located before the fence was moved. The chickens are generally moved 2 to 3 times before coming back to the original spot. This allows the grass to grow back fully. Now, this setup works for us, but if you have a smaller area, you may not be able to move the birds at all. If that is the case, you can still provide fresh grass and weeds to the chickens on a daily basis by building a grazing box. The grazing box prevents the chickens from scratching the grass down to the roots. As they eat past the hardware cloth, they must wait for the grass to grow back above the hardware cloth before it becomes accessible again. If you don't want to build anything, you can simply have multiple planter boxes where you grow grass or other edibles and swap out the planter boxes as necessary. If you are wondering why we are so adamant about providing our chickens fresh grass, weeds, and food from the garden, well, chickens that graze on fresh grass and eat bugs have a darker yolk, which many believe to be much healthier than chickens that eat dried processed feed all the time. Same concept as with humans. The fresher the foods we eat, the better, the healthier, versus eating prepackaged processed foods. I hope that this video will inspire someone to raise layers or meat birds. Let me know down in the comment section below if that is you. And lastly, it will be much appreciated if you would like, share, and subscribe, as it will help this young channel to grow.